Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special Android 10 system head unit for Ford Kuga Max 2011 to 2018 years. Okay, you can check this shipping box, very big box. You can check this size. cm. Very big size. Okay, let me take out this it comes with dash kit. And this install kit. And head unit. Harness and cable. Okay, let me introduce the harness and parts first. Okay, you can check this dash kit. Very big size. Okay. Okay. This cable, power cable, you can check. Power and the speaker. Okay, it comes with this canvas box. Okay, this small speaker. And this GPS antenna. This radio antenna. This is original USB. This camera input. This two USB cable and external microphone. And this AUX input. And this video input. Okay. This audio cable. This subwoofer, AC type. This video out one and video out one and video out two. Okay, this is front and rear, left and right. Audio out. Okay. Let me show head unit. You can check back of head unit. This power, fuse, GPS, this Wi-Fi antenna, this radio port, the audio, and the USB connection, other connection. Okay. Okay. This dash kit. Okay, you can this head unit. Install part, installation. Okay. Let me connect power cable. On back of the head unit. It's back. Okay. Okay, the head unit will be started. Okay, you can check this. Okay, this is front head unit. Please take out this screw protector before using. Screw brightness. All apps are here. You can check very fast response. This APK installer, the link app. Okay. It's built in Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. You can connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi, and you can test. Okay, this is Amazon.com. This is our website, belse.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website, contact to us. You can contact by email address. Okay, let me check other scene settings. You can check chip PX6 Android 10 system. Okay. Storage, you can check total 64 GB. And car settings, person settings, find the LED settings, red, green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Okay, this is our website, Belsee.com. It's Tesla style screen. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can contact to us by email. Okay. It's the link app for wireless and Android and Apple CarPlay. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.